tell us why you went with Vesta on this house?
We moved in here 2 years ago. It had all natural cedar. It looked gorgeous when we first moved in. It got really bad really fast, and so it became a maintenance nightmare, basically. We're too busy, right? We have 2 young boys, and they have hobbies, and we want to do nothing to the outside. We were pricing out cedar, and it was actually more expensive than the Quality Edge product. We found this color and loved it, and I'm like, hey, I have an idea. We thought Vesta really was a unique product. We were looking for 0 maintenance, and when we were shown the new color, we were blown away by how sleek it was and thought it would be the perfect fit for the house.